If you are wondering if we have split screen available on the Motorola Edge 70, then the answer is yes. And in order to use it, first you need to open two apps so that you can have them in the list of background apps. And after that, you can tap on the icon of the first app that you want to open in the split screen, and then you can choose the split screen. You will still be in the list of background apps, so then you can choose the second app that you wish to open in the split screen. And there we go. As you can see, now we have the split screen view. And besides that, there's also a gesture that you can use, but first you need to actually activate it. So we're gonna go to settings. Let's actually go back. Over here, once you are in settings, scroll down to gestures, and then you should be able to find the swipe to split. So we need to make sure that it is enabled. You can also press try it out in order to find out how it works. Sometimes I have actually trouble with activating with the gesture, but surely it does work. So once we open the app that we wish to run in the split view, then we can perform this gesture. There we go. And then we can choose the second app to open the split screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.